Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your Karnataka bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in karnatakabank.com and click on enter. After that you will be directed to official homepage of Karnataka Bank. Now at the top right corner you can see a login button. Hover your mouse to it and select which account you want to get logged in, either it's personal account, corporate account or any other accounts. After selecting a type of account, a login page will appear. Now at the left hand side you need to type in a user ID and a CAPTCHA. Type the CAPTCHA by taking reference of this picture. If it is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and a CAPTCHA will be regenerated. You can also click on this speaker button and hear the sound. Now click on login button. After that you need to confirm that this is your account. Now type in your password. You can also select where do you want to get directly logged in by clicking on this drop down menu. Now click on login button to log into your Karnataka bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.